So here's a question for you. What if I told you the biggest ocean on Earth wasn't the Pacific or the Atlantic? What if it's been hiding deep, deep down beneath our feet this whole time? It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, right?
Well, it turns out the planet we call home has some absolutely massive secrets. The very ground we walk on is hiding a reality that's way more complex and way more water-rich than we ever imagined. So in this explainer, we're going to peel back the layers of our own planet to take a look at a truly groundbreaking discovery, a hidden internal ocean locked deep within the Earth's mantle.
Okay, so let's jump right into the discovery that brought all of this to light. And just to be clear, this isn't some wild guess or a theory. Nope, this is a scientific finding based on real data, and it is totally reshaping how we understand geology. I mean, this was the headline. It sent some serious shockwaves through the scientific world. It's so direct, it sounds completely impossible, and it immediately makes you wonder, how can an ocean be inside the Earth?
Yeah, that's the natural next question, isn't it? Your mind probably jumps to this huge underground cave with rivers and waves, but the reality is actually, well, it's a lot more complicated and honestly way more fascinating than that. To really get what's going on, we have to break down that term, because this is not an ocean like you and I think of one. So what are scientists actually talking about when they say hidden internal ocean? So first, the easy part. Subterranean just means it's under the ground. But here's the crucial thing. It's not a giant swimming pool of liquid water. Instead, all this water is actually trapped inside the molecular structure of this special blue mineral called ringwoodite. And it's way down there, about 700 kilometers deep inside the Earth's mantle. So let's break it down. First, it's hidden. Pretty obvious, right? It's locked hundreds of kilometers down. Second, it's internal, which means this water is literally part of the Earth's mantle, chemically bound up inside the rock. And finally, we call it an ocean. Why? For one simple reason. It's absolutely mind-boggling scale. Okay, so if this thing is so massive we're calling it an ocean, you have to wonder, how does it stack up against the oceans we actually know? The answer is, well, it's just staggering. All right, let's try to wrap our heads around the sheer scale of this discovery. Seriously, prepare to have your entire perspective on our planet completely reset. Okay, look on the left. You've got our surface oceans, right? The Pacific is the biggest. Now, look to the right. This one, single subterranean reservoir, is estimated to hold more water than all of the world's surface oceans combined. Some estimates say it could be up to 3 times more. Just let that sink in for a second. This right here is the most mind-bending part of the whole thing. The biggest water reservoir on our planet isn't the one we see every day from the beach. It's been under our feet the entire time. So, what does a discovery this massive actually mean for us? This isn't just some fun fact for trivia night. It fundamentally changes our reality. And this says it perfectly. Every single map of the Earth you've ever looked at is suddenly incomplete. We have been living on top of the planet's single largest water feature without even knowing it was there. It forces us to rethink everything from the water cycle to the basic geology of our world. And that's the bottom line, isn't it? A discovery of this magnitude has to have some profound implications. So what does it really mean for how we understand planet Earth? Okay, let's zoom out and really look at the big picture here. What are the main things we should take away from this incredible planetary revelation? Here's what really changes. First, we now know our planet holds way more water than we ever thought possible. Second, the Earth's interior isn't just some static lump of rock. It's a super dynamic, complex, and water-rich system. It could play a role in everything from volcanoes to where our surface water came from. And finally, it's a humbling reminder that one of the biggest features of our world was hidden in plain sight, right under our feet. And that leaves us with one last, really fascinating thought. You know, if an ocean larger than all of our surface oceans put together could stay hidden from us until now, it really makes you wonder, doesn't it? What other massive secrets is our planet still keeping from us?